My answer is I will go. I see the need of people crying. My answer is I will go. I go to share the message of love. I go to share the blessed hope. But if I get discouraged, I call to Jesus' help, because I have decided